Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those who are new, I am Dr. Rabia Zarwin. This channel is all about exciting and brainstorming videos that will let you see in a manner you never thought about your health and fitness. I make videos on fitness, health and wellness and bunch of other exciting and interesting videos that will blow your mind. So now, just dive into the video without further wasting any time. Today you will be getting a deep closure on the questions like, is it bad to lose weight quickly? What is considered fast weight loss? Can you maintain that fast weight loss? Risk of losing weight too fast? And tips to help you lose weight at a healthy rate. Is it bad to lose weight too quickly? Losing weight too fast may increase your risk of side effects including muscle loss, lower metabolism, nutrient deficiency, gallstones, and many other risks. This is especially true if you try to lose weight quickly without support of a healthcare professional. Steady weight loss is easier to maintain long term because it's better for developing healthy eating behaviors and is much safer than very fast weight loss. What is considered fast weight loss? According to many experts, losing 1 to 2 pounds per week is healthy and safe. Losing more than that is considered too fast and could put you at the risk of many health problems, such as muscle loss, gallbladder stone, nutritional deficiencies, and a drop in the metabolism. The most common ways that people try to lose weight fast are by exercising a lot and by following a crash diet. So what is this crash diet? Crash diet is a very low calorie diet of fewer than 800 calories per day. People often prefer the option of eating a very low calorie diet since it's often easier to lose weight through diet than through exercise. Did you notice that when you started exercising, you lost weight faster in your first week and you were too happy about it, and then later became curious in the second and third week about the changing pace of weight loss, like losing a little less than the first week? Let me answer this for you. If you have started diet or exercise plan and you have lost more than 2 pounds in the first week, it's normal. For this initial period, fast weight loss is perfectly normal. The weight you lose during this time is commonly called as water weight. See, when you consider fewer calories than your body burns, your body starts dipping into stores of energy known as glycogen. Glycogen in your body is bound to water, so when you are burning glycogen for fuel, the body also releases that water. This is why you might experience a major drop in weight during your first week of exercise. Can you maintain fast weight loss? Losing weight is only half the battle. The real challenge is maintaining it. Most people who follow a crash diet regain half the weight they have lost after only a year. Even worse, nearly everyone who follows a crash diet regains all the weight they have lost after 3 to 5 years. That's why experts often suggest losing weight at a slow but steady pace. Most studies shows that people who lose weight at a slow but steady pace are more likely to keep it off long term. Also, plans that encourage slow weight loss usually help you build healthy eating behavior, like eating more fruits and veggies and drinking few sugar-sweetened beverages. Behavior like these can help you keep weight off long term. These create a discipline in you. Now I'm gonna be discussing about the risk of losing weight too fast. While it's tempting to try and lose weight fast, but it's usually not recommended. Crash diets that promote rapid weight loss are often very low in calories and nutrients. This may put you at risk of many health problems, especially if you follow rapid weight loss diets for many weeks. Here are a few risks of losing weight too fast. You may lose muscle. While a very low calorie diet may help you lose weight fast, a lot of the weight you may lose comes from the muscle and water. It may slow down your metabolism. Losing weight too fast may slow down your metabolism. Your metabolism determines how many calories you burn each day. A slower metabolism means you burn fewer calories per day. Two reasons why the metabolism drops on a very low calorie diet are a loss of muscle and a fail in a hormone that regulates your metabolism, such as thyroid hormone. Again, it may cause nutritional deficiencies. If you're not eating enough calories regularly, you may be at a risk of nutritional deficiencies. This is because it's hard to consume enough important nutrients like iron, folate, and vitamin B12 on a low calorie diet. Below are consequences of nutritional deficiencies, like when you eat a few calories, your body not gets enough nutrients to support hair growth, which may cause hair loss. Extreme fatigue. You may not be getting enough iron, vitamin B12 and folate and a very low calorie diet, which may put you at risk of extreme fatigue and anemia. Poor immune function. Not getting enough calories and nutrients may weaken your immune system and increase your risk of getting infections. This can be caused by the deficiency of vitamin D, calcium and phosphorus in the diet. Coming on to the very last question and very important one. Tips that will help you to lose weight in a healthy rate. Although slow weight loss might not sound appealing to many, there are many things you can do to help speed up this process safely. Here are a few tips to help you lose weight at a healthy rate. A high protein diet can help boost your metabolism, keep you fuller for longer, and preserve your muscle mass. Research tend to show that people who follow a low-carb diet tend to lose more weight. Cutting back on sugar and starches help you reduce your carb intake. Chewing your food thoroughly can help you feel fuller for longer and eat less food. Drinking green tea has shown that it enhances your metabolism. Get plenty of rest. A lack of sleep may boost your levels of ghrelin, the hunger hormone, and lower your levels of leptin, the fullness hormone. This means that poor sleep could leave you hungry, making it harder to lose weight. Try weight training exercises. It can help fight muscle loss and the drop in the metabolism that might happen with weight loss. Eat soluble fiber. Research shows that soluble fiber may help you burn fat, especially belly fat. Fortunately, you can avoid a nutritional deficiency by eating a diet rich in whole, unprocessed food. These food contains fewer calories per gram and are also quite filling, which may help you to lose weight. If you liked what you heard or learned something new, be sure to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And also hit the bell icon so you get notified first when I upload anything new.